Hey, what's going on YouTube? Just another quick video. Today we're going to do a Ducky 1 2 Mini mechanical keyboard unboxing. We purchased this from mechanicalkeyboards.com for $99. It was free shipping and it was delivered through UPS and it took about 6 days to get to the door. All right. So this is the front of the box. Cherry red MX switches. Nothing important on that side. Back. Those are the dimensions. The weight, 590 grams. Made in Taiwan. Has a little MX switches logo there. It says MX switches inside. And this is pretty interesting. It says, warning, water and beverages can't be poured into the keyboard. All right, so you guys don't be pouring anything into your keyboard. We're gonna go ahead and open it up. Plastic cover, trash, sleeve. You got the keyboard. The manual, you want to keep this in a safe place. It's going to have all the different functions. Some green paper, probably a warranty card. You have your power cable. Spacebar. Looks like that's a pig. Year of the pig. We have some more replacement keycaps. And a keycap puller. You have printing on the front side. Black and white frame, so the top is black. The bottom is a gloss white. Then you have your USB-C connector. Looks pretty thin. You have your 4 rubber strips. You have your 2 feet. And it has 2 different level of elevations. The back has a cutout for your dip switches. That's when your manual comes into play. And that's going to allow you to rearrange the functions of your keys. All right, so I'm going to remove a keycap. Keycap puller. Double shot PBT keycap. Laser engraved. And there's your beautiful cherry red MX switch. All right, so we are going to plug it in and see this baby light up. Look at that. Beautiful. All right, so this has 10 different light combinations, and we are going to go through a few of them. So the way you do that is you're going to hit Function, Alt, and T. This one lights up when you press key. And I'll light up white. All right, so now we are going to do a sound test. Everybody is always interested in how these keyboards sound. So I'm going to get it real close up to the mic. And I'm just going to hit a few random keys, okay? Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.